life, performs Hajj every year, does thousands of Umrah and Tawaf, performs the acts of charity, takes care of halal and haram, fulfills the ibadat and muamalat, has a beard, wears a turban, having full Islamic dress and hijab. Apparently, if a person fulfills all external needs and requirements of ahkam of Sharia, and he is a worshipper, but his heart, unfortunately, is empty from the wine of love. He has never drunk a drop from the ocean of love. He has never gone near to the wine house. He never took the cup of wine of love in his hand. And he remained always away from drunkenness, from intoxication of love, from a condition of love. He was never overwhelmed by wine of love. And never a drop of love was poured in the pot of his heart. His heart is empty of love, empty of the sentiments of love, emotions of love, empty from the heat of love. He is cold in here, but possesses all external acts and deeds of Sharia. That man is munafiq. He is never to be considered a mu'min. He is never to be considered a mu'min. I will give you two ahadith. Both are in Sahih Bukhari. We are teaching Bukhari today. Both in Sahih Bukhari. Al ahadith sahiha. One related to Al Khawarij and one related to Sahibul Khamr. Yuqalu lahu himar. There is a one statement where Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this is hadith of Zul Khuwaisara at-Tamimi. Zul Khuwaisara at-Tamimi. It is in Sahih Bukhari. Where Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was distributing the booty. And a person whose name was Zul Khuwaisara at-Tamimi came. And it is mentioned in hadith of Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Hadith is muttafaq alayh. Nashizul jabha, rajulun ghairul aynain, mushriful wajnatain, nashizul jabha, kassul lihya, mahlukul ras, mushammarul izar. Apparently all conditions, he was wearing an Islamic dress, having a big beard, fulfilling all external ahkam of Sharia. What was lacking? Lacking was just love and adab of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said to Holy Prophet, Ya Rasulullah, ittaqillah, fear from God. He said, I'dil, Ya Rasulullah, do justice. He was sitting in the sitting of Holy Prophet among the companions, having this Islamic dress. Only thing which he lacked was the love of Holy Prophet and extreme reverence for Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amal were there. Then again, when he left, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Sayyidina Khalid bin Walid stood up. He said, Ya Rasulullah, ala adribu konukahu? Should I cut his head? Holy Prophet ﷺ said, no. In other hadith, Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu stood up and asked, Ya Rasulullah, should I cut his hand and neck? Should I cut his neck? Holy Prophet ﷺ said, no. Just be patient. Then he left the sitting, the majlis, the company of Holy Prophet ﷺ. turning from Holy Prophet. And Holy Prophet said, you see, إِنَّهُ يَخْرُجُ مِنْ ذِئْدِهِ هَذَا قَوْمٌ يَتْلُونَ كِتَابَ اللَّهِ رَتْبًا. There would be people among his followers, they will recite Holy Quran. No, I am telling you the acts and deeds. They will recite Holy Quran. Then Holy Prophet ﷺ said to Umar, when he asked, allow me to cut his head, he said no. Holy Prophet said, inna lahu muttafaqun alayhi, this hadith, inna lahu ashaban yahkiru ahadukum salatahu ma salatihim wa siyamahu ma siyamihim.